Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm a senior consultant at CR Kennedy, and today I'll be introducing you to the Alpha Air 9 LiDAR from CHCNAV. The Alpha Air 9 is the latest release from CHCNAV in their range of mobile scanners. It's plug and play with the DJI M350. All planning and controls are fully integrated with the RC+. So why do we use LiDAR? Unlike photogrammetry, we don't need a high percentage side overlap to generate a point cloud. We can fly as low as 30% and achieve a more detailed model. The next benefit is canopy penetration. Using an active sensor with multiple returns, we can achieve measurements on the ground surface and model out the vegetation easily. With a 500,000 point per second measurement speed and a high accuracy IMU, the Alpha Air 9 can achieve centimeter accuracy, even at heights of 240 meters. This system can fly over 60% more ground cover in the same time than the closest competitor LiDAR. The Alpha Air can be paired with the Leica 3DR processing suite and used for a variety of applications such as point cloud auto classification, power line extraction, terrain modeling, and even road surface capture. Thanks for watching, and for help on your next aerial data capture project, reach out to your local CR Kennedy consultant and see how we can help you.